Today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth capability to this Dodge Ram 1500 factory radio. As you can see that this Dodge Ram 1500 has the basic factory radio. It has AM, FM, and the aux input and the CD player, but it does not have Bluetooth capability. So what we're going to do is we're going to add Bluetooth capability to this older factory radio simply by using my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. My gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory radio without a new head unit or any modification. You do not need to take the radio out. You do not need to get a new head unit. Simply get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Simply connect my device to your car for power, and you'll be ready to enjoy all your smartphone features such as talk hands-free, streaming media, music, podcast, news, radio, sports, even Sirius radio. You'll be able to add all your smartphone features to your older car factory radio without any modification. Simply by connecting my device to your car, and you'll integrate your smartphone features right through your older car radio without touching anything. Okay, let me show you how it's done. So first, we turn on the car. Make sure your car is set at 87.9. 87.9. Then take my device. You get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get my device. That's what the control unit looks like. And on the other end, you have two wires. One for the aux, the other one for the USB. We're going to show you how to use the USB part of it. So simply connect the USB part of it to this cigarette charger, and you get this from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect this to the cigarette charger for power. Then all you have to do is connect it to your car for power, to the cigarette charger for power. Let me show you. So now, let me turn on the radio. You can hear that there's a lot of static. Now we're going to plug in my device.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
See, this is all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to your older car factory radio. Now you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features right through this older car radio. So now all you have to do is press play. Now you'll be able to hear all your music through your car speakers loud and clear. This will work for podcast, news, radio, anything you want to listen to, even Sirius radio. And you allow you to add talk hands-free feature. So when phone call comes in, simply hit the button, and then you'll be able to engage your conversation hands-free. And when you're done with the conversation, just push the button again, and you're back to the music. You can use forward or backward, use the control unit to control your music, or you can simply use voice control, voice commands, such as Siri or Google. However way you use your smartphone, you can do the exact same thing. Remotely control your radio, control your phone. So essentially, my gadget will make your car, your older car, as smart as your new smartphone. Simply connect my device, the Gizmo Guy Gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Simply connect my device to your car, and then you're ready to go. Let me show you one more time. Let me show you how easy it is to get that going. So, we turn off the car, turn it back on, and you'll hear static. Now we're gonna get this to work. Connect it.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do is get music, get your smartphone music to play on your older car factory radio. In this case, it would be a Dodge Ram 1500. So this is how quick and easy to add Bluetooth to your older car radio, and you'll be able to enjoy talk hands-free and wireless music, streaming media from your smartphone through your older car radio. Essentially, my device will make your car as smart as your new smartphone. This is the easiest and quickest way to integrate your smartphone through your older car radio. Essentially, you'll make your car feel like new again. You'll have all the new smartphone features through your smartphone, and your car will be as smart as your new smartphone. So this is the quickest and easy way to add Bluetooth capability to your car. In this case would be Dodge Ram 1500 with the factory radio.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadget for info.